How to make your Facebook profile private. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make your Facebook profile private. Now, without any further ado, let's just dive right into it. First, open up your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, go to the menu section on the bottom right. After you're there, tap on the gear icon on the top right and go to the settings. Now, after you're on your settings, scroll down, and after you scroll down, you will see audience and visibility. Under there, you'll see profile locking. Tap on profile locking, and here you can see you'll get the option to lock your profile. This is basically making your entire profile private. No one other than your friends will be able to see your photos, stories, and posts. So just tap on lock your profile and wait for a bit, and you're basically done. So there you go. Now you have made your profile private. So it's that simple, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.